Well, Mr. Yarocki,
Yes.
every time I turn around, you're sitting at a new machine. What are you doing now?
Okay, right now we're bringing this thrust washer down to 95. It was at 102. That's .102. Now we're going to be .095. And so we're surface grinding. And that's what we're doing.
Are you going to make a lot of sparks for me?
Not a lot, maybe a few. The finish cut.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Yarocki,
Yep.
it took you 7 years to learn how to go back and forth with the right hand while going clockwise with the left hand. Or were you able to master that faster?
I don't think it quite took 7 years, maybe 6.5.
And why would you choose to do this by hand as opposed to on an automated machine?
I can't afford an automated machine.
I love honesty. It's the best policy.
They do have them with power.
Just not within our reach.
Not within my range, no.
Could you trade a bridge for it?
This is really quite inexpensive. It's from Grizzly, made in China, I'm sure. Right now it's about $2,000. Where a surface grinder, over the years, it's been way up in the 20,000–25,000 range. So actually, these imported machines have made it possible for almost anybody to have a machine shop. You've got $10,000 and a place to put them. You can have a lathe, a milling machine, a surface grinder, not a honer. Those cost a lot, even secondhand they're a couple thousand. But yeah, with 10,000 you could probably even squeak in a home.
Yeah. And as soon as I get home, I'm going to let my wife know that. Thanks again for your time and your help, Mr. Y.
Good luck.
Good luck, yeah. Bye-bye.
Yep.